Hey guys, Crypto June here with another video. So in this video, I want to talk again about CatWifMask. And the reason for that is because we are up $3,000. We are currently holding $5,000 into the Mask project. In my last video, we bought for worth $2,000 in a correction. Everybody thought like, hey, this project is dead, I need to leave it. But we took action, we bought $2,000, and look at us right now. We are back at all-time high, and I want to do another video because I really see the potential of this project. It has a lot of similarities with WIF hat and now this CatWifMask. And the reason for that I also explained in my last video. It is because I see a big culture here. A big culture is formed with a lot of people who are supporting the narrative. The mask stays on. So a lot of people are changing the profile picture on Twitter, they're changing the profile picture on Telegram or anything else. They want to be part of this. Look at this one, funny memes. It is really memeable, like the whole CatWifMask is memeable. You can do a cat with anything, like you can change yourself. Let me find an example. This guy, Dogan, big guy, 185k followers, has also the cat profile picture, not really with a mask, but he is saying like, hey, every time when I post something, this will happen. And as you see here, we see a whole culture of people rating all tweets. And this is what you need for a strong meme coin project. You need people who are believing in the narrative. And this is exactly what is happening right now. They see funny videos like this old guy is now some kind of the character of the brand, and they do like these funny clips. So what can I say, guys? Like, it has everything. I was long time not so hyped as this. So 8th of June, mask on. What else do we see? Like mask up. Also this guy posting his own profile picture with a mask. Like so many people want to be part of this. And what can I say? Like this is a very healthy chart. We see that people are aping in. There will be a moment that people start taking profits. But the people who bought during this run getting in panic. And when they are in panic, they start selling here, here, and here. But the people who sold here are buying back in these levels. Then we have another run. It looks like a double top, and then we fall back. But we see that there is still a lot of interest. More and more people starting to talk about the project, which results in another pump. And now we are above all-time high. So once we break this level, we can expect some big fireworks. And I think really like 28 million is not that big. WIF had reached out of my head $2 billion market cap of even higher, 2 billion. Even a 100x from here is 2 billion. So most meme coins who performed well above average, reaching around 200 to $500 million market cap right now during this phase of the market. But even in a full-blown market, then it can be higher. So on Solana, this meme coin project is on Solana Mask. Yeah, I don't know what to say right now, guys. I just want to hear your opinion. Like, if you are here and you're still watching, like and subscribe to the Crypto June channel, because we are posting often this kind of calls where I am buying projects. And if you want to follow these kind of projects, click the like and subscribe button on the channel. And we have almost 10,000 subscribers. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.